viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some crochet almond winter cap designs model knitted with wool. Let's start the video. A almond crochet winter cap design refers to a handmade, often cozy outfit, crafted using crochet techniques to keep the head warm, cheering culture, while offering a style and comfort. These designs are versatile and can vary in texture, pattern, and embellishments. Crochet winter caps for women not only serve a functional purpose but also allow for personalization, making each design unique. Whether you prefer simple and practical bunnies or stylish textured caps, crochet offers endless possibilities to suit individual styles and looks. Creating a crochet winter cap involves skill, creativity, and attention to detail. Here are some tips to help your design and craft beautiful, cozy crochet caps for women. First, choose the right yarn. Select warm and soft yarn for winter caps. Choose yarn that provides warmth, like wool or wool blends. Acrylic yarn, washi-friendly and washable, chunky or bulky yarns that give cozy hats. Texture matters. Soft, smooth yarns are more comfortable against the skin. Color choice. Use neutral tones for a classic look, or bold, vibrant colors for a statement cap. Pick the right crochet hook. Use the crochet hook size recommended for your yarn. Check the yarn label. For a looser, slow C design, go up a hook size. For a tighter, denser cap, use a smaller hook size. Experiment with ergonomic hooks for comfort if you crochet for long periods. Measure and size properly. Measure the head circumference to ensure a good fit. Standard measurements for adult women. Keep in mind that crochet stresses, so the cap should be slightly smaller than the head size. Start with a good foundation. Use a magic ring, adjustable look. For a neat, seamless start when crocheting from the top down. For bottom-up caps, start with a stretchy foundation chain to ensure comfort around the brim. Use the right stitches, basic stitches, single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet are great for beginners and romantic work. Textured stitches use puff stitch, bubble stitch, and cappers for added visual effect and extra thickness. Make it a stylish pom-poms. Add a fox fur pom-pom or ear pom-pom. use stripes, color blocking, or fearless crochet for interesting patterns. Slousy or fitted. Adjust the number of rows for a snug beanie or a relaxed slousy hat. Trim variations. Add a visor for a trimmed cap to fold over brims for extra warmth. Keep warmth in mind. Use dense stitch patterns like single crochet, thermal stitch, or offset stitch to block out cold air. Line the cap with flexible fabric for extra insulation in extremely cold weather. Add embellishments, flowers and tappets, crochet flowers, leaves or motifs to sew onto the cap. Buttons and beads. Add buttons at the brim or beads in decorative patterns. Radiated tags. Add radiated tassels to airflow caps for a playful look. Maintain consistency. Count the stitches carefully to avoid uneven or lopsided stitches. Block for a professional finish. Gently block the finished cap to make stitches even and smooth. Use stream blocking for acrylic yarn and wet blocking for wool. Experiment and customize. Don't be afraid to experiment with new stitches, yarns, or patterns. Add personal touches like details, custom embellishments, or unique color combinations. By following these tips, you will create a stylish, functional, and personalized crochet winter caps that are perfect for gifting, selling, or wearing yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy crocheting!